Maganda yung araw namin ngayon kasi malamig ang panahon. Kani-kanina lang umuulan. Hindi ako pupunta sa gym today. I will be staying home because I've been experiencing cramps dito sa aking likod. 2 days na yung pinapagawa sa akin ng aming gym trainer is stretching lang. So sabi niya, for 10 days, ito yung gawin ko na exercise. And since alam ko yung exercise na gagawin ko, sabi ko dito na lang ako sa bahay. Leaving for the gym. And here will be my gym for today. Now, I'm going to peel lots of garlic because Mishka likes garlic. Mishka loves garlic on her rice. So, I'm going to fry some garlic. Then, ilalagay ko sa taas ng kanyang rice. I'm not going to make fried rice for her today. Plain rice lang with fried garlic. She loves fried rice with lots of garlic. Yung crunchy na garlic sa taas. So, now, fried garlic lang yung ilalagay ko. We still have 20 minutes. And it's raining outside. So, siguro malilate sa akin sa pagsundo kay Mishka. Kasi hintayin pa niya na tumila yung ulan. Thank you.
You want some more?
Who likes garlic?
Me.
Wow. I cook garlic for you.
Yum.
You have to eat your vegetables.
I want some more, Mama.
But you have to eat your vegetables, okay?
Okay, Mama.
That's already so much. You eat this first, then I will give you later when it's your done. Daddy is going to meet his friends. He's using Honey's bike because yung bike namin hindi gumagana kanina. Nung pagka sundo nyo kay Mishka, hindi na umaandar. Siguro nilalamig. Resting. Mag-isang oras na ganito yung sound ng kalangitan. Yung kulog. Bye. She just woke up from her nap and she has a lot of homework to do. Ito yung kanyang diary. Si Anar.
Mommy, see my teacher gave me a star.
So it says here, you have a star? Very good. Match the clothes and accessories worn on the upper body. So you have to put the clothes we use for our upper body, like this part.
Shirt.
Shirt, yes. What else?
Scarf.
Scarf, yes. We put that also on the neck.
Hat.
Hat, yes.
Jacket.
Yes, very good. Good job. Next is circle the clothes and accessories worn by the girl. Where's your car? Car is better.
Yellow.
Okay. Circle the clothes and accessories worn by the girl. Very good. And what else? What about the gloves? Does she wear gloves?
No, she's a girl.
Yeah. No, she's wearing gloves too. She's wearing these gloves. Page 15.
Mercy.
She answer this one. This one. Tip the groups with the least shapes. Least means few.
This is cute. Wow.
Now you have to by row. This one, or this one. Which
This
one has the least?
one.
How many are there?
1, 2, 6 big chair.
Next is this one, or this one.
This one.
Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And what about the others?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No, this is different also. You have to count 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's so many. So which one is the least?
This one.
Okay.
Big chair.
Ay, hala. That's so big. This one, or this one?
This one.
Oops, look carefully.
This one.
How many are there?
1,
And what about this one?
1, 2.
Which one is least?
This.
Which one is least? 1 or 2?
1.
Yes. 2 is many. Short one. Check. Yes, that's how we make a check. Next, English. Circle the starting sounds of the picture. So here first. Cake. Cake.
C.
Very good. Circle the letter C. Pencil. Pencil. This is not Q, baby. This is P. What is this? Nose.
M.
Very good. What is this? Say ant. Ant. Injection.
I.
Very good. What is this?
Train.
Train.
I. T. And this is not
What is the sound of train?
T.
T is say T. Pineapple. Pineapple.
P. Crab.
Crab.
C.
Crab. Very good. You did so good. Now we are done. Done with the homework and then 2 books.
No, not finished.
It's finished, baby.
No, finished. Not finished.
See, until here. No, set until here.
No, one more.
No, this is done. Pineapple, crab. Correct.
No, this is not
No,
done.
mom did not put like this na. And then until here only. Tomorrow.
Now can I have my pen?
Your 10?
How did I use my pen, guys?
I will help her first. Kasi hindi niya ako titigilan. Kasi hindi ko pa nilaro. Up means up. Nilagyan ko na ng letter. No, baby. Baby, same color, same color. Today, I'm going to rearrange the sala na naman. Dito try ko na pahaba.
Jeremy sat on a blue box, read him some of my new poems. Delilah snapped the shutter on her new camera. We were frozen, old statues taking time for sweeter things in life. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come back. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know we would get back. They were building forts and trees, sing a song to the buzzing bees. Hop on our bikes, head down to the store to buy candy. Let it melt there on our tongues. Laugh till we felt it in our lungs. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again.
New arrangement. Nahanapan ko din ng parking space yung sasakyan ni Mishka. Nakatago kasi ito sa puja room. So, hindi niya palagi nagagamit. So, parang nanghihinayang ba ako na yung kanyang laruan, hindi niya nalalaro talaga. So, ayan. Nilagay ko dyan para magamit niya. Makapaglaro siya. Medyo malaki din yung kanyang space sa pagdadrive. And for now, dito ko muna nilagay yung kanyang tent kasi ngayong araw nag-request talaga siya na maglaro sa kanyang tent. So inassemble namin yan kanina and pinasok ko yung kanyang kitchen toys dyan. Welcome home!
Oh, new setup.
Yeah! What did you get?
Roti chocolate.
Bumili si Abhi ng suji kasi ito yung parang go-to namin every morning kapag medyo kulang na kami sa time sa paghahanda ng breakfast ni Mishka. So, suji or semolina. Tapos, bumili din pala siya ng mangga. Meron siyang pasalubong for the kids. Ito naman yung pasalubong niya para sa akin. Tinawag ako ni Mami kasi nagluto daw siya ng liti. Luto na yan.
Wow.
Please like our channel, subscribe.